How to prepare for the AI-driven future of programming. The future of programming is evolving faster than ever, with AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and GitHub Copilot now capable of generating entire applications within seconds. This AI-driven transformation is no longer a distant possibility, it's happening right now. But where do human programmers fit in this new reality? Will coding careers vanish, or will new opportunities arise for those ready to embrace change? In this video, we'll break down how you can stay ahead of the curve, master AI-assisted development, also secure your place in the future of programming. From essential skills to emerging career paths, we'll guide you through the key steps to thrive in the age of AI-powered software development. Let's dive in. Master AI-assisted development. AI tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, OpenAI Codex, and Google Gemini are already transforming programming. Instead of resisting, learn how to leverage AI effectively. AI-powered coding: use AI to generate, refactor, also debug code faster. Prompt engineering: learn how to write effective prompts to get accurate AI-generated code. AI-assisted debugging: use AI to detect, analyze, as well as fix bugs in your code automatically. How to start? Try GitHub Copilot for auto-completing code. Use ChatGPT for code generation, refactoring, and explaining complex logic. Explore AI-powered automated testing tools like Diffbl, Cover, or Test AI. Focus on high-level problem solving. AI will handle syntax and routine coding, but human developers will be needed for architecting large-scale applications, defining system requirements and logic, debugging complex real-world issues, integrating AI-generated code into functional applications. What to learn? Software architecture and system design, scalability and performance optimization, cloud computing and distributed systems, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Learn AI and machine learning fundamentals. AI is not just a tool for automation, it is a core technology shaping the future. Even if you're not a data scientist, understanding AI or ML concepts will help you collaborate with AI models. Understand how AI works under the hood. Learn the basics of AI model training, fine-tuning, and integration. Explore AI development frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, also LangChain. Recommended skills: Python, AI and ML libraries, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Data science fundamentals: data wrangling, feature engineering, AI model training. AI ethics and bias mitigation. Where to start? Take a beginner AI or ML course on Coursera or Udemy. Play with OpenAI API to integrate AI into your projects. Follow Fast AI for practical AI learning. 4. Master AI augmented programming languages. Some languages will be better suited for AI-assisted development. Future developers should master Python for AI, ML, and automation. JavaScript and TypeScript for AI-powered web apps. Rust and Go for performance and AI safety-critical applications. WebAssembly, WASM, for cross-platform AI execution. What's next? AI-assisted languages like Mojo, Python++ for AI efficiency. AI-generated DSLs, domain-specific languages. Learn AI-optimized software development. With AI handling coding, developers will focus on AI-powered workflows, automation, and ethical AI integration. AI model fine-tuning: adjust AI behavior for specific use cases. AI integration in business applications: learn how to integrate AI models into apps. AI-powered automation: master tools like AutoGPT, LangChain, and AI agents. How to get hands-on experience? Build an AI-powered app using OpenAI API. Experiment with AI-based automation using AutoGPT. Create AI-generated content workflows, example, AI writing assistants, automated coding bots. Cybersecurity and AI ethics. As AI automates programming, security risks and ethical concerns grow. Future developers need AI security best practices: how to prevent AI-generated vulnerabilities, Bias detection and AI fairness, understanding and mitigating AI biases. Compliance and regulatory knowledge, learn AI governance laws, GDPR, AI Act, etc. Key focus areas. Secure coding practices for AI-driven applications. Understanding adversarial AI and security vulnerabilities. Ethical AI development and governance frameworks. Develop soft skills for AI-enhanced teams. Future software engineering is not just about coding, it's about working effectively with AI in teams. Critical thinking and problem solving, AI can suggest code, but you must validate and refine it. Communication and AI collaboration, learn how to guide AI effectively with structured prompts. Business and product thinking, AI coders will build apps faster, but human developers will define what needs to be built. Action plan, how to prepare for AI-driven programming. The future, adapt or get left behind. AI will not replace programmers, but developers who use AI will replace those who don't. The best software engineers of the future will be those who leverage AI tools for faster coding and debugging. Master AI development and integration. Focus on high-level problem solving, architecture, and security. Final thought. AI will write code, but humans will define what to build and how it should work. Programming will shift from syntax to problem solving, automation also AI collaboration. The future belongs to AI-augmented programmers, not those who resist change. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role or description, follow our channel Career Quest.